Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're experiencing no sound on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the Google Chrome browser if it's not already open. And you want to select the settings icon in the top right corner of the browser screen. Just go ahead and left click on that and then select settings. You want to go in the search settings field up at the top and type in content settings. One of the best results should say site settings. So you may want to just search for site settings instead and go ahead and open that up. You want to go down and select additional content settings. Select sound. Sites can play sound. Click on that. And if you see any sites that are not able to play sound in here, you just want to go ahead and delete them. There should be a little trash can icon next to it. So again, not allowed to play sound. If there are any sites under here, you just would go and delete them from the list. And that's pretty much it. And then default behavior, make sure sites can play sound is selected up here. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.